here are the pieces you will need for Captain Price from Modern Warfare 2 and Ghost, which is actually Gaz from Modern Warfare, which is Call of Duty 4. And these are the pieces you will need. I'm going to start with Captain Price. You take the body and put it on that. You take this, put it on there. You take the head of an Indiana Jones, put it there, and then take a hat of Indiana Jones and put it there. And the next person you will need to build is, you will need this and the other pieces. You put that on there, then you put the skeleton head on there, and then you will need to put the helmet on there, and then there you have it's Captain Price and Ghost. And that's all.